Hello, good day. Today in Dyana's kitchen. Today I want to show you how to make some sweet and sour chicken leg. But before I start, if this is your first time watching my channel, if you watch it and you like, please subscribe for more video. Alright, this is my season that I'm going to use to season it up and everything. Okay? Okay, guys, I already show you the season, guys. All right, I just want to, show you that what I use. All right, so garlic powder, guys, it's already here. Okay, half a teaspoon. And this is the black pepper, half a teaspoon, guys. The salt, just a pinch of salt. The red pepper, guys, half a teaspoon. Seasoned salt, guys. Okay, that's a tablespoon and a half of seasoned salt. Okay, and the all-purpose season, guys, I use a tablespoon of all-purpose season and then just a teaspoon of chicken season. All right, guys, and just a pinch of salt. Okay, so I'm going to use this and season my chicken now. Okay, and guys, I want to show you this. This is just some season that I'm going to cut up to make my sauce. Okay, so you have some sweet pepper. There's about 3 or 4 different color, but it is sweet pepper, just different color. Okay, and some onion and some scallion. Okay, I'm just going to cut them up. All right, and make my sauce. All right, guys, so right now I'm just going to season my chicken and leave my chicken for about 20 minutes. All right, I'm just going to season it up, and then once I finish seasoning it up, I will definitely show you how to fry it and how to make the sauce. Okay, guys, so I'm going to cut up my season now. So right now I just put my my deep fryer to hot to fry my chicken. But guys, I'm going to use this pineapple in my sauce. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make the sauce. But I'm going to cut up some season right now, guys. Okay, to make my sauce. All right, I'm going to use a piece of ginger, guys. I'm just going to grate it in my sauce too. All right. Don't cut them up small, guys. Cut them up like that, chunky. You don't want to cut them up not too small. Okay. Okay, guys, so right now, guys, I'm putting in, guys, my chicken leg right now, my drumstick, guys. I'm frying them right now in my deep fryer. But guys, if you don't have a deep fryer, you can use a regular pot. But I'm using a deep fryer because the deep fryer goes faster. Okay? So guys, so this is the season, guys, okay? Alright, so now I'm sauteing my season. Alright? To make my sauce. Meanwhile, my chicken is frying. Okay? So, but guys, you don't want to saute it too soft. You want some crunch into it, right? You can give it about 2 minutes, guys, okay? And guys, I want to show you guys. I'm gonna put some sesame seed, guys, in my sauce, and sesame seed, guys, in my sauce. And I'm gonna put some garlic powder. But if you don't have the powder, you can use the garlic. Okay? And I'm gonna put some ginger, guys. I'm gonna grate some ginger right now. Okay? Just for the sauce, guys. You're just looking for that nice taste. Okay? That's what you're looking for, that nice taste. That nice taste, guys. Okay? Alright, guys, so I'm gonna give this couple minutes and then I will show you next what to do. Okay, guys, so right now I'm taking out my chicken, guys. Alright, and I'm putting in some chicken, guys. Alright, I'm almost finished frying them, guys. Okay. Alright, guys. So I'm gonna use them to fry, so I want to fry more. And guys, To fry your chicken in the deep fryer is very easy, guys. All right, it takes about 5 to 7 minutes because you want them well done. You don't want the outside to fry, guys, and the inside don't fry, okay? You want the inside and outside fry, okay? So I'll be between 5 to 7 minutes, okay, in the deep fryer. But if you do it on the stove, in a pot, make sure you throw enough oil, okay? And you can do it on the stove 5 minutes on each side, okay? All right, guys. Okay, guys, so now I'm just going to show just a little pinch, guys, a little pinch of garlic powder, just for the flavor. And I'm going to throw, guys, some pineapple, guys, alright. Guys, I do not throw the water, guys, because I don't need the water, alright. Alright, guys, what I'm going to put next, guys, I already show you these, guys, what I'm going to use, the sauce that I'm going to use, guys. Alright, this is the spicy one, guys, okay? But, guys, if you want to make it from scratch, I'm going to make a video showing you if you want to make it from scratch, alright? So this is the mild one, guys. So I have one spicy and one mild. Okay? So guys, I'm going to saute everything together for about 2 to 3 minutes, guys. Alright? And then I'm going to throw my sesame seed in and then dump it over my chicken. Okay? Alright, guys. I'm just going to make it stay for a bit. Okay, guys, so right now I'm just going to throw some sesame seed all over it, guys. Okay? And I'm going to put some red pepper, a little more red pepper, guys. Okay? But you don't have to put any red pepper if you don't want to, guys. Okay? So this is the red pepper, guys. Alright? And this is the sesame seed that I'm using. Okay? Alright, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna give this like 1 more minute and turn it off, guys, and then I'm gonna throw it over my chicken. All right, guys. Okay, guys, so you know this is the sauce. Just throw it all over the chicken, guys. Okay, this is my sauce, guys. This is my sauce for my chicken, guys. So, guys, I'm gonna leave it on the chicken for about 5 minutes to soak into the chicken before I eat it. Okay, so this is it, guys. That is my sweet and sour chicken leg. Okay, guys, if you watch this video, guys, and you like it, guys, don't forget to subscribe. All right, and if you like, share. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.